Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video is a quick update on some things happening with my other channel, DeFi Crypto and Airdrops. Me and Veteran Crypto are moving to our original channel, which only has less than 500 subscribers. So we're doing this because we're consolidating to one YouTube channel. I'll still be posting videos here on the Blockchain Report right here, but our weekly live shows will only be streaming on here. I'm not going to be streaming them live to my Blockchain Report. This will only be for pre-recorded videos and stuff. But the show that we do together will be here at DeFi Crypto and Airdrops. So look for the owl, and I'll post all the links in the description below. So yeah, this will be the place to go. DeFi Crypto Airdrops with an S, and you'll know by this logo, and our brother channels right here. And we'll be doing the live streams, Tuesday and Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. And also, we're going to be streaming to our Twitter channels. You can catch Vet at Veteran4Crypto. We'll be streaming here and also on my Twitter as well. Yeah, so at the BCR142, and also the arena.social. Trying to build up our following here. It's a great place to go. So check it out. A lot of good streamers. So check out the arena. But yeah, just a quick update because I know some people have been watching on my channel, the Blockchain Report, our streams on YouTube, but come here and you can get in the chat. Let's see, today's talk, past streams, 4 hours ago. And you can get in the live chat as well and see what people have been talking about. But yeah, live chat's much easier on YouTube. So yeah, get in here. Just wanted to give you an update in case you saw some stuff with the other channel. It's called Meta Money. We originally took it over and we just found it to be too much to deal with. We're going to focus on building up our smaller channel. And yeah, so move over here and support our channel and help us grow. But yeah, I appreciate all of you so much. And don't forget, check us out on Twitter and arena.social. So I'm also on arena.social, same as my Twitter profile. So catch me here, jump in and show your support. But I appreciate you all so much. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.